What's up, guys? Today I have an S2000 Civic Type R meet that I set up that I'm going to be going to. So we're going to head that way. We're going to be meeting at BurgerFi, and I'm going to try to get there a little early so I can get a really awesome parking spot. So let's get on the road. Alright, wireless chargers been working pretty well for the most part. All right, off to the races. Well, guys, it has probably been a long time since I've been able to actually drive this car with the windows down because it's been so hot. Oh, it looks like somebody's calling me. All right, that was my buddy. We didn't have time to meet up. He has a Skyline GTR, and I think his friend also has an Fl5, but we're all just gonna meet up at the restaurant called BurgerFi. They have like gourmet type of burgers and craft beers and things like that. I've been there once before. But yeah, I'm excited. Weather's halfway decent, 73 degrees today, so it's just been so freaking hot here in the Midwest the last few weeks, so it's just nice to get a change. All right, got a little fun turn coming up. Is super easy to drive on the highway, especially with the new advanced features it has, lane keep assist and all that. And I love the graphics on it too. Reminds me a little bit of the Teslas. But yeah, this interior is super easy. It's super comfortable on long drives, things like that. To get my next piece in the mail, it's a carbon piece. I haven't got a notification yet, so it might still be a few weeks or maybe less. So we will see. And then probably sometime in the next maybe, I don't know, 6 weeks, I'm probably gonna put my Titan 7 wheels on. So I wonder what kind of gas mileage we're getting here. .8, not too shabby. Well, the gas mileage is going up. I'll be curious to see how throwing the 18-inch forged Titan 7s on the car will affect gas mileage. Probably get 2 or 3 mpg per drive at least, is my guess. But yeah, it's my last day of vacation. Go back to work tomorrow, which I'm kind of ready to go back to work. 11 days off in a row. It's a lot of time. So yeah, ready to get some food. I haven't ate any food today at all, so a nice juicy burger sounds pretty delicious. So, oh yeah. Got some kind of cool looking cloud formations up there. Oh, look at that, we hit 25. Old Olathe, Kansas City. Basically the west side of Kansas City. All right, we are a little bit closer, 7 minutes away. I really love this new head unit system versus the 10th gen. It's just updated, it works so much better. It has a lot better design, the functionality of it, everything. Let's get off the highway and look at that, 30 mpg, not too shabby if you ask me. Leawood, Kansas. Like 2 minutes away. Good old neutral. Hopefully we'll be the first ones there. All right, we are here and I am surrounded by some Boost Blue Type Rs. We got another Championship White over there. Looking good. All right, made it here. I was not the first one here. There's a few other Type Rs already here. All right, hopefully the next car is gonna be a white one, right? No, keep the color combination going. But yeah, everybody's car looks pretty good, even though we've had some misty weather today. We need to go buy a lottery ticket today. Look at this, white, blue, and the blue one showed up. We got a spot for you right there. That's funny. White, blue, white. Yeah, what is that? Oh, he's gonna.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, he's the one. He's the one that works at Honda.
Yeah, he works at Honda Olathe.
Yeah, the one I need to talk to about. That's the one I trust to do maintenance. Because I can do a lot, but I can't do so much of a boring ass garage. So,
yeah, I took my car up to Honda Olathe and they scratched one of my wheels and they were real honest about it, ordered me a new one.
yeah, they did my fuel pump recall thing and spilled gas all over the inside of my car. So
Oh, that's annoying.
I'm pretty not cool with Honda.
That's, yeah.
My car smelled like gas for like 3 months.
I like to call up there and then have a certain tech work on it so you're not just getting some new teenage kid. And
I was expecting that.
hey, what up?
I didn't know if it would work out, but it worked out perfectly fine.
Yeah, right? Good timing. We were trying to get once we hit 4 or 5, we were like, yeah, keep it going.
Well, that works.
Good to see you though.
Good to see you too.
Yeah. Doing well. So here's the difference. You got the factory OEM wing, and then we have the accessory carbon fiber version. I mean, it looks nice. And you can see it's a little wider too. Like,
Looks really good, actually.
yeah, he said he accidentally scratched his other one. He's like, oh, excuse to get a new one. I was like, oh yeah, baby.
That's funny.
It looks really good with the light on there too.
I think I told you this. I didn't realize it was like an entirely different mold. I thought it was the same thing, just carbon fiber. So I was like, eh.
Well, yeah,
But
even
like,
the sides are different.
Way bigger. That's way better.
That looks really, really good. I think he's got this whole thing wrapped. Looks good. Versus mine that's got neat. I haven't washed it in a week, and it still needs a paint correction from, you know.
Oh, mine does. Mine does too.
It's not as bad as my last one, but my last one shines so good. Because, you know, it's funny on the FK8s, where does it get really, really dirty? Right here.
Yep.
Like,
Oh,
it was
cool.
like,
Oh, it's
I had to
fucking
clay that part so bad. And most of the other car didn't have to clay. Uh-oh, it's finally gonna get messed up. I was hoping for like a blue S2000. I can't believe none of them are here yet. Or was it?
Well, it's probably raining, so they can't put the convertibles down.
Right.
Yeah. They got moose.
I'm like, oh, it's slick outside. This will be fun. Rear wheel drive. All right, my buddy Skyline GTR is here. Another Boost Blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like white's winning. What up, yo?
Yo.
How's it going? All right, made it to BurgerFi. This is what the place looks like. Little section of town, like a town center type area, but we were gonna park here in the front. There's not enough spots, so. But yeah, pretty cool little place if you ask me. I'm definitely ready for a burger. Well, we had a pretty dang good turnout. Just had some food and
Like, piece of me's like, should have probably waited, but then again, I'm.
all right, exhaust noises, AWE, I believe. See, that might be, I don't know, might be too loud for me. Is the Touring the quieter version? Oh, it looks good. Thank you. Those look good.
Parking brake on, you can only rev so high.
What, like 3,500 or so?
Just drive in individual mode.
Okay. Oh.
When I put it in Type R mode, I can't even hear the pumped-in audio over the downpipe.
Okay. That's good to know. I was curious. All right, I am just finishing up at our car meet, getting ready to head home. I had a really good time, ate some good food, met some new people, and it was definitely worth it. Now we're headed home. Car meet. I hadn't been to one in quite some time for my old S2000 group or Type R group, so always a good time meeting up with fellow enthusiasts, you know. And man, I'm loving the weather today, getting to drive with the windows down. Oh, it's so great. Wonderful day off work. I was really impressed with the carbon fiber wing, with just how aggressive it looked, and just the quality of the product. So I think I'm gonna get one of those myself eventually, but probably won't order that this year, depending on if I get this part-time job or not. Getting about 26 mpg per this tank, so that's not bad. All right, got pretty good mpg. I got 28, and that's with a few send-offs. Not too shabby. I'm just arriving home. Now it's time to edit this video and put it all together. So y'all have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.